Sergeant Williams, what can you tell us about this crash?
Right at 6 o'clock, one of our officers was traveling northbound on 75 when he saw lights in the bushes coming off the off-ramp from 75 north to Bass Road. Upon investigation, he found a Ford Explorer in the ditch with a black male driver, semi-conscious at the time. The driver was taken to Navicent Health for his injuries and is still being treated at this time.
I see they've shut down this exit ramp.
Yes, ma'am. The exit ramp from 75 northbound to Bass Road is shut down for this moment until the investigation is complete.